So for number 35 for A, we got y minus 2 equals 2 times x plus 3. And we got that because we had 2 points that it could go through. Here, 5, 6, and 3, 2. So we just put them in and found the equation that would go through both lines. And for B, we got yes, the point -1, -6 is on it, and we just put the numbers in for y and the numbers in for x, and we solved it, and they were equal. So for number 33, we got y equals 2 over 3x minus 12, and we got that because we solved this equation into y equals form, and we changed the y-intercept just a little bit so it would pass through 6, -8.
Okay, so for number 27, restart it.
For number 25, we got w equals 102, x equals 42, y equals 36, and z equals 138. We got z equals 138 because these are opposites, so they're equal. And then we got x equals 42 by solving, because adding them up to 180, we got 42 for x. And then for w, we got 102 because it's the opposites from over here, which is the 102. And then we got y equals 36 because we added up all the sides to the triangle to equal 180, and the opposite of this one is the same, so y equals 36. For w,
Okay, so for number 27, we got perpendicular because we figured out these slopes or lines, and one equaled y equals 1 over 3rd x plus 6, and the other one was y equals 3 over 1 x plus 4. So because they are opposite, that means that they're perpendicular.
for number 23, we got x equals 22.5, y equals 83, and z equals 97. We got y because the opposite angles are the same, so it's 83. And then we solved for z because those two add up to 180. And then we found the middle of this by these two because all three of them would add up to 180 as well. And then we solved for x in this by adding all the angles together to get 22.5.
Okay, so for 21, we got 4 for x because this angle and this angle, they're same. So you can do 120. And if you do 120 plus 40, it's 160. So you need to find that extra 20 to make 180. And 5 times 4 equals 20. So that's 4.
For number 19, we got not parallel because there's not two lines right there, so that will eventually hit each other.
Okay, so for number 9, we're trying to find what 9 is. And since you know that 2 and 1 equal 180 and that 1 and 9 are the same, you can just pretend that this is 9 and 2 is 65. So 180 take away 65 is 115.
Number 17, we got not parallel because P and Q cross each other because they don't have another arrow right there. So for number 15, it asked name the alternate exterior angle with 5. So 5's right here, and we got 4 because it's on the other side. They're like opposite and they're exterior, so it means they're on the outside. So the answer is 4. So for number 11, we got false because 8 is clearly bigger than 9.
Okay, so for 7, we got 70 degrees because it wants to know what 10 is, and 7 equals 110, and 7 and 10 together equals 180. So we did 180 take away 110 equals 70.
So for number 13, we got true. It says our 2 and 3 are supplementary, and we said true because they're on the same side. For this one, we got x equals 3 because there is no slope, so it would just be on the third point of the x-axis. So for this one, x equals 3, so we put our 3 right here on the. Oh my goodness. for number 29, we got y equals 1 over 5 minus 5. So we got the answer because negative 5 is a star value, and the slope is over 5 and up 1.